In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the Chime credit card. So the first thing you need to do is you need to install a Chime app and make an account if you haven't already. I'm sure most of you guys have, but I just want to reiterate that. Anyways, once you're here on Chime, all you want to do is you want to scroll down, then select over here where it says Chime card, and basically it is going to give you access to the application where you're able to go ahead and apply, and you're able to get 1.5 cash back as well, and you're still going to be enjoying all the best fee-free banking features. So you want to press over here where it says Chime card, and you will need to go ahead and agree. So you need to make sure you click on all of these and press on agree to all, then press on I agree right over here. So if eligible, you're going to be approved in the application, but most people should be eligible. But after you press on I agree, then it is going to ask you to confirm your address, and then you need to wait for your card after that. Now, the physical card is going to arrive in 7 to 10 business days, and you can usually use a virtual card immediately in the app, but this is a secured card, meaning that you deposit money first, and your deposit becomes your spending limit. For example, if you were to deposit $100, you can spend $100 on that card. Now, let's talk about some of the good things. There is no credit check to apply, there is no annual fee, and it helps you build credit when you pay on time, and you use your own money, so it is lower risk. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.